Hi designers, today I will show you something that every designer would dream to know when he was starting. It is Figma community inside your Figma. Community where you can copy any component or even complete app. Then you can modify it as you wish and use it in your project or create impressive portfolio. As well, you can learn a lot and train your design and Figma skills. For that, you need to create your free Figma community profile in just one click. Then go into your community profile, where you will have a free access to the design resources, wireframes, components, libraries, and all the rest it is existing that you might need in Figma design process. For example, this iOS 15 UI kit, you can put the like or save it to your bookmarks, or directly use it. Be clicking open in Figma, and it will create your new draft in your Figma files as a new project. In Figma community you can find real pros. This UI kit is a good example, ready-to-use components for the iPhone device, with already created styles and font libraries inside this file. You can find it in the right working panel, with the possibility to modify. Now the most important part, how to use these components. Copy and paste where you need. I will do 2 of them to see how they will be changing. You see on the left panel that they are violet. It means if you let it like that, then if someone will click to go to the main component, it will send them into the community file. So you need to detach it and then use as you want. Right click of the mouse and choose Detach Instance. Done. In our case we have a button ready for further use. For more tips go on my account.